This video is all about tips and tricks on how to view the single view essential oil, and so you can get the most out of it. So first, let's search for something very specific, like a specific bacteria. Once we do that, we then choose an essential oil. So let's choose Eucalyptus globulus today. And this is how an overview of the essential oil looks like. At the top, you have very specific information on this particular essential oil. So this particular essential oil has its batch number and who is it distilled by, or who is the provider of this essential oil. You can click there and look more about the company. So you have more details on this oil. This one is for Ecuador. It is steam distilled from leaves, and then you have the aroma, and this is all associated to this specific batch number. In this gray area, you have properties, application, and safety information about all eucalyptus essential oils that we found. So properties are all scientifically based and articles that are read by my research team. And then here in the application area, you have how to apply the specific essential oil. This is where we have not only research, but also we quote books, we have quoted aromatherapy journals, so you can compare the information and read more about our authors on our blog. What I wanted to show you is we search for MRSA, and sometimes you will not see it right on the top of properties of application. Because it's such a specific search, it might be under antibacterial. So what we did for you was, if we found what bacteria it was active on, we added it in the additional area right here. So you do need to click on the properties to find out more information on where the information came from, and if we found more information, for example, as the bacteria that was found to be active on, we include that for you. To read more on the article, or to find more about the author who recommended this, you can click read more and it will take you to that page. As you see, Eucalyptus globulus has quite a lot of scientific research done on it. Then we also have the safety recommendations, and as well as everything else, it is referenced and it will take you to the author or to the article of where this information came from, so everything is transparent. When you scroll down to the detailed report, this is where we have the chemistry of this specific essential oil again. So this GCMS breakdown right here, and if we click expand all, you will see the entire breakdown of the GCMS. Some oils have more, some oils have less information, is directly connected to this specific batch number of Eucalyptus globulus. So this is different for every essential oil that you find in the database, and it's interesting to compare. We really took our time and tried to find as much information as possible on these chemical components. So if you click any of them, you with the arrow, you will find more information, such as this information on alpha-pinene. And that might be then useful for how to use the essential oil, or some insights on how to use it. Properties down here are the properties of the chemical components in this specific essential oils that are added up. So as you see, we looked at antibacterial properties of the essential oil as a whole. So these are the properties that were found in research for Eucalyptus globulus. And these are the antibacterial properties that are found for these specific chemical components that make up Eucalyptus globulus, the one we're looking at right now. So Dropsmith provides this amazing value for you, that we add up the properties of the chemical components for you, and this comes in very handy if you have oils that have little or no research on them. I hope you will get cracking and using a Dropsmith and that this inspired you. Thank you for watching.